Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fingerprint not working on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. So, what you guys want to do first is go over and simply clean the screen. So first, let me just open up the settings. Now, once I open the settings, I want to go over to security and privacy. So we need to scroll a bit down, go to security and privacy, go to device unlock, and go to fingerprint. Here, of course, make sure to verify your screen, delete your fingerprint, and now click add fingerprint. As you guys can see, here we have the sensor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it. Now, once I clean it, I can proceed and put my finger here. Whenever we feel a vibration, we should let go, and I always recommend changing our finger, sorry, not finger, but the position of our finger. And as you guys can see, now it is done. We're gonna click done, and let's see if it works. Now, as you guys can see, I unlocked my phone. If it's not working for you, then as a last resort, what you guys can do is simply update your software. So if you go over to system, you can go to software updates, and here you can click on system update. You can check for update, and if you're not on the latest version, you should update. As you guys can see, for me, it's preparing some system updates. So let's see if I am on the latest version. It might take some time. It is normal. You can wait from around 5 seconds to up to a minute or two. So now we are just waiting. As you guys can see, I have a system available, and now I can just click download and install, and everything will work just fine. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.